Today, we're revealing smart and effective ways you can start making money from as young as 15 years old. Stick around to learn how you can turn your free time into cash and start your journey to financial independence. Did you know that some of the most successful entrepreneurs started making money in their teenage years? Imagine the head start you could get by starting now. Keep watching to discover how you can make money at 15 and set yourself up for future success. One of the easiest ways to make money online is by participating in surveys and market research. Websites like Swagbucks and Prime Opinion pay you for sharing your opinions on products and services. It's simple, straightforward, and you can do it from the comfort of your home. Sign up for Swagbucks and Prime Opinion to start earning cash and gift cards for completing surveys and watching videos. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, freelancing is a great way to make money. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer your services to clients worldwide. Create a profile on Fiverr and start offering your skills. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Are you good at a particular subject in school? Why not share your knowledge and get paid for it? Tutoring is a great way to help others while making money. You can tutor in person or use online platforms like Wyzant and Tutor. Offer tutoring services in subjects you excel in, such as math, science, or English. You can set your own schedule and rates. If you enjoy creating videos, blogging, or social media, you can monetize your content. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer various ways to make money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Start a YouTube channel or a TikTok account focused on a niche you're passionate about. Create engaging content and grow your audience to start earning through ad revenue and brand deals. E-commerce is booming, and you can be part of it by selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or dropshipping, there are plenty of opportunities to make money. Use platforms like Etsy for handmade goods or eBay for selling various items. You can also start a dropshipping business with Shopify and sell products without holding inventory. There you have it, 5 smart ways to start making money at 15 years old. Whether it's through online surveys, freelancing, tutoring, creating content, or selling products, there's a method here for everyone. Start today, and you'll be on your way to financial independence before you know it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pursuit of Success for more tips and strategies on achieving your financial and personal goals. Let's continue this journey to success together. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success in your pursuit of greatness.